flying higher like a chopper vile level yetu iko high. Na so leo acha ni introduce kwa area yetu kiteki right, left, then east, west. We always say that home is the best. In a village, we have dreams, what time to dance. In a village, we have the bell, rule the time. In a village, we have Tibet, doing time for some. In a village, we have Nkabune, try to save the time. And then, the road and Eve, we call it a shift. We call it a system. We call the listeners, listen.
I sat through years. 3 full cycles. Same seats, same desk, no change. Just dates and grains. 3 years, 3 cycles, same seat, same topics, same failure. 1 delayed unit, repeat the whole course. My dreams delayed, my strength betrayed. Smart as the stars. It's ready. It's ready. Wait for the next year. When you always was a difference. He waits before dawn. He studies past midnight. But the system, we made losers. I missed the exam because I missed the year. Where is justice in that?
I watched them fall because there's no choice. Not for the lack of effort, but lack of modularity. While hard work pays, one size fits none. Kama vile kiatu ya Tibet can't fit in a modular shoe. Yet we taught like machines, as if learning had no soul. I marked script. I saw effort behind the wrong answers. But the policy was fail one, fail all, but it broke me. No punishment, but guidance. Modular, the better path.
Then came a shift, modular, they called it. Shortcuts of knowledge, targeted, clear, certifiable, flexible. I wasn't boxed anymore. I was moving forward at my own pace, with purpose. No more waiting, no more wasting. Learn, pass, progress.
I passed module 1. Faith conquered the mountain. No repeat of the whole course, just the path that I missed. Oh yes, I'm not a dropout. I am a work in progress. And progress is power.
Now I see hope in his eyes. No more frustration. No more wasting fees. No more waiting years to celebrate. be higher confidence, not just certificates, because modular education builds workers and thinkers.
From chalk bones to digital bones, from cycle things to flexible links, education found it to strength again, education and to stand tall again. Transformation isn't a miracle, it's a decision. From reception to recognition, from cement to modular.
This is our transformation. This is education redefined. This is our future. Modular, modern, and meaningful. We are not what we were. We are what we choose to become. Nkabune Tti, Drama Club.
Tupigie makofi tena. Asante. Mgeni wetu wa heshima, Daktari Esther Moria, asante kwa kuja kutangamana nasi kwa sherehe hii ya 16 ya kufuzu kwa mahafala wetu. Jambo ambalo ningelipenda kulitaja ni kwamba mwaka uliopita tulikuwa na wanafunzi 1672. Mwaka huu 2025, mwaka mmoja baadaye, tuna wanafunzi 7017. Tujipigie makofi. Daktari, mimi najua wewe ni mama ya Gen Z. Ukiongelesha hawa vijana unawaambianga wa make the right decision. Kwa hivyo I want to bring the very last item. Gen Z, aongea na Gen Z wenzao. Daktari pia akipenda anaweza akatingika kidogo, alafu tuanze hotuba. DJ.
Ngoja DJ. Ngoja. Tusimame tena. Tusimame kwanza. Pia wazazi tafadhali tuweze kusimama tafadhali. Tuweze kusimama. Ukiniruhusu our chief guest, utaniruhusu nitumie the stage na nitakualika hapa tafadhali. Ngoja DJ. Nice. Kujeni. Yes. Wanakaa namna gani? Wanakaa vizuri sana, si ndio? Mnafanana, si ndio? Nice. Sinaona vile watu educated wako. Hata mimi nimesoma jamani, Msinione hivi. Sawa sawa. Usinione hivi pia mimi kidogo. Sasa nataka tu hype kidogo. Nataka nimesikia nasikizaga Gen Z sana. Sasa nataka kuona vile anaweza naingoa kiuno kidogo, si ndio? You just follow my lead, sawa sawa. Si ndio? DJ nipatie. Na pia nyinyi nataka tuende hype, sawa sawa. Everybody clap. Kila mtu